Subscribe now.
In the depths of the dense, ancient forest, a place forgotten by time and untouched by civilization, there lay a sinister secret. This enigmatic wilderness, shrouded in eternal twilight, was known as the Veilwood. It was a place where the trees grew so closely together that their twisted branches entwined like skeletal fingers reaching for the heavens. And it was said that those who dared to enter the Veilwood were never seen again. One moonless night, a brave adventurer named Elara set foot on the edge of the Veilwood. She was a woman of unmatched courage, driven by an insatiable thirst for the unknown. With a lantern in hand and a heart filled with determination, she ventured into the oppressive darkness of the forest. The path before her was winding and treacherous, the crunching of fallen leaves beneath her boots, the only sound that dared to break the silence. The air was thick with a pungent, earthy odour, and an eerie mist clung to the gnarled roots of the trees. As Elara delved deeper into the Veilwood, the trees seemed to close in around her, their branches forming an impenetrable canopy overhead. The light of her lantern cast eerie, dancing shadows on the moss-covered ground. She could hear faint whispers, like the murmurs of unseen phantoms, and an inexplicable unease settled in her chest. Hours turned into days, and Elara pressed on, determined to unravel the mysteries of the Veilwood. She came across strange, ancient ruins that seemed to have been swallowed by the forest. Carvings on the stones depicted grotesque, otherworldly creatures engaged in unknown rituals. And then she found it, a colossal hollow tree at the heart of the forest. Its gnarled roots created a cavernous entrance, and a haunting greenish light emitted from within. Elara, her heart pounding, entered the tree's gaping maw. Inside, she discovered a labyrinthine network of tunnels and chambers, all adorned with cryptic symbols and murals that seemed to tell a story of ancient malevolent beings. As she ventured deeper, a sense of foreboding washed over her, and she realized she was not alone. Ethereal figures, their eyes vacant and their bodies translucent, began to materialize around her. They whispered in a long-forgotten language, and their bony fingers reached out to touch her. Elara tried to escape, but the tunnel seemed to stretch endlessly in every direction. As the apparitions closed in, Elara felt her very essence being drained away. Her lantern flickered and died, plunging her into total darkness. She could no longer discern the boundaries between herself and the haunting entities. In that inky blackness, Elara realized the horrifying truth. The Veilwood was a place where the spirits of those who had entered before were trapped, their souls forever tormented by the malevolent forces that dwelled within. Desperation took hold, and Elara cried out, her voice barely a whisper among the cacophony of ghostly wails. And then, as if in response, a brilliant bluish light pierced the darkness. It radiated warmth and purity, dispelling the spectral entities and illuminating a path to salvation. With every ounce of strength left, Elara followed the guiding light, and it led her back to the heart of the forest. The Veilwood seemed to loosen its grip on her, and she stumbled out of the oppressive darkness and into the moonlit night. Elara's heart was forever scarred by her nightmarish ordeal in the Veilwood. She had glimpsed the malevolent forces that lurked in the shadows of the ancient forest, and she had narrowly escaped their grasp. The haunting whispers of the spirits would forever echo in her mind, as a chilling reminder of the horrors that existed beyond the veil of the Veilwood. Enjoyed this haunting tale? Don't forget to subscribe to Mythos and Storyverse for more spine-tingling stories and intriguing narratives. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tales of mystery, horror, and imagination. Join our community of avid storytellers and let your journey into the unknown begin. Subscribe now.